This is a huge rise of gold price to the USD. American dollar is going down against the gold. Look at this chart. In 1971, 1 ounce of gold was just $35 per 1 ounce. Now it is $2,650 per 1 ounce. However, just a few days ago, as you can see on this chart now, dollar actually lost even more. Just on this top, as you can see, 1 ounce of gold on the market was for $2,800, which is $2,800 per 1 ounce. From $35 to $2,800 just like that. Can you imagine what will happen in next 50 years if quantitative easing will be managed the same way as it been managed in the last decades? Is it only currency that is losing so much to gold? No, actually, American dollar is not in such a bad situation, as there are currencies, major currencies, which are even worse than American dollar. Actually, American dollar is in much better situation as than British pound. If you look at this chart, you can see that American dollar lost almost 80 times, which is 8,000% since 1971 to gold. But if we check British pound, we can see that British pound has lost 15,000%. Look at this chart. Even they don't show the chart for British pound, as it is a big shame. Why is that? Why British pound has lost since 1971 from 15 pounds per 1 ounce of gold to today's 2,080 pounds per 1 of gold. However, it was, as you can see on this chart, almost 2,200 pounds per 1 ounce of gold, 2,200 pounds per 1 ounce of gold, from 14, 15, 13 pounds per 1 ounce of gold, which is 150 times, which is 15,000%. So why British pound is losing so much to gold? Why gold is such a good investment comparing to holding British pound? Well, Bank of England is printing so much money. They are conducting quantitative easing. They are lowering interest rate, so the pound is getting getting weaker. There is more and more British pound around the world, which means if there is the same quantity of gold, or a little bit of gold, as there is not enough gold around the world and there is limit of gold around the world, and if you print so much British pound without covering it with gold, that means the British pound must lose to gold. This is just a simple rule of economics. So if the Britain will carry on with printing British pound with lowering interest rate, that means in next 30-40 years 1 ounce of gold will be around 200,000 pounds, and this is not a joke. 200,000 pounds from today, 2,000 pounds. Good luck. Please subscribe, follow my channel for more video like this.